Dear passengers, welcome to Tivat. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle and emergency exits clear from all hand baggage until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead bins and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. You may now use your handheld electronic devices without flight mode, but please note that smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is still not permitted. On behalf of the entire crew, thank you for flying Norwegian, and we hope to see you on board again soon. Thank you once again, goodbye and have a nice day. Ja hyvät matkustajat, tervetuloa Tivattiin. Olkaa hyvät, istukaa vielä paikoillanne turvavyö kiinnitettynä. Pitäkää koneen varauloskäynnit ja käytävä vapaana kaikista käsimatkatavaroista.